Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to recover your Google Authenticator. First of all, log in with your Google account on your browser. If you're already logged in, that's good. You have to click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Click on Manage your Google account. A new page will open. You have to click on Security on the left side. Then from here, you have to scroll down just a bit. Click on Two-Step Verification. From here, select Google Authenticator, add an Authenticator app. Set up Authenticator. You have to scan this QR code from your Google Authenticator app on your phone. And you have to make sure, you have to double check that you have to select the option on your phone called Use Authenticator without an account. If you do not select that option, then you will not be able to recover your Google Authenticator. So if you have selected that option, then you have to scan this QR code and your Google Authenticator will be recovered just right there. And that's how to recover Google Authenticator. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.